Amitabh Bachchan's chocolate or something like that. So if you are not celebrating with Cadbury's, there is no happiness in your life. We are brainwashed and we are giving nonsense to our system. So it doesn't have right kind of nutrients, right? Degeneration is fixed, but for regeneration, the poor body is depending upon the decisions we make on day-to-day basis. Okay, how many decisions are we making regarding food? At least 3 to 4 times a day. Assuming that you are taking only 3 times a day, that is 21 times in a week. That means in a month's time, it is 60 times, right? Close to, approximately 700 to 800 choices we are making every year. That is making our body. And suddenly we end up one day with sugar, and patients come to you and say, why did it happen to me only? Each and every decision that we make, what to eat, everything is affecting our body. Okay. If there is a virus or a fungus, any other microbe, a bacterium is coming into our body and it is creating a problem, it is essential that you find a drug, a molecule that can actually kill and eliminate that parasite. Okay, that is accepted. Infectious disease, absolutely, antibiotics are necessary to either to prevent infection or to fight the infection. But when it comes to lifestyle, it took this gentleman years, right? 30 years or 40 years of hard work with unhealthy food finally resulted in increased sugar or increased blood pressure or resulted in osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Somehow we completely lost the game because we don't think that whatever we are eating right now at the moment is making an impact. But today, whatever you are putting in, you are directly telling your body, each and every cell, okay, this is the kind of raw material that I am going to provide. Okay, so the body, given a chance, can it repair? Okay, can it repair? Body gets to repair itself only when we are asleep. When you are sleeping, you are not making any decisions. So either about your food or your physical activity or your stress management, all of them are gone. So this is the time where the body, the subconscious mind or the parasympathetic system that kicks into action, and this is the only time the body gets to repair. But by the time we wake up again, so we started abusing our body. So the only way the body can repair effectively is stop abuse. As a holistic practitioner, we need to identify in how many ways this particular individual is abusing their body. So you have to stop insulting the body with the kind of inputs or the kind of raw material you are providing to your body. And the second thing is, give adequate repairing tools. Right? Now, this being a COVID time, there are so many jokes in the doctors community that South Indians, especially Tamilians, eat a lot of sambar, and AP people eat so many masalas and whatnot. All these things. And Hyderabad is a lot of biryani and they have so many spices. Despite that, the COVID is not. That is such a lame argument. Okay. So eating a particular food, that is the problem. The approach, how we are approaching food. Right? It speaks about the blatant ignorance of the person who speaks in those loose terms without any scientific basis or evidence to support their claims. So they are called like propaganda. Okay, forget whatever it is. Body to repair itself, it needs certain tools, right? By tools I mean certain nutrients. Okay, for any reaction to happen,